Hello friends, and welcome back to Science in the Five Senses. I'm Anne, I'm the Youth Services Librarian here at the Octavia Flynn Library in Gallup, New Mexico, and today we are exploring density with 3 different liquids. Let's get started. Alright, in front of me I've got 3 liquids. This green one is corn syrup, this blue one is just water, and then the yellow one over here is canola oil. So the corn syrup and the water have food coloring added to them so that you can see the difference in the density a little bit. I've been using water-based food coloring, and water does not mix with oil, so I cannot color the canola oil, and you will see why. We're going to start off with our corn syrup, and I'm going to pour it into this large glass over here. And we'll scrape the edges so that I get everything out of it. All right. It's like slime. Okay. And then next I'm going to pour in our canola oil. And it's all gonna kind of float up to the top there. And last but not least, we have water. And the water is going to sit in between our oil and our corn syrup. Now I've got some things that we're going to put in here to see how far down they sink or if they float. Let's get started. So, first thing I have are a couple of rocks. We're going to plop those in there, and you'll see, it's a little hard to see, but they do sink all the way down through our corn syrup. And next I have a blue alien. Let's see. And he's kind of floating face down on top of our corn syrup. And I've got a seashell, which also kind of sits right on top of our corn syrup, right underneath our water. And then this is a little PLA bit that was made by one of our 3D printers. And it's pretty light, so I'm not sure it's actually going to sink at all. It might just sit there on top of the oil. And last I've got this green foam block. That's also just going to sit on top of our oil. So you can see, depending on the density, some things sink down farther into our dense corn syrup and some things kind of hover right underneath our water. And that is our density for today. Alright, and there you have our density jar as our experiment today. If you want to try to recreate it at home, again, I used corn syrup, water, and canola oil. You can also try it using other liquids that you find. You could try it with milk or things like Gatorade, sodas, things like that. And we will catch you guys next time, and we will start talking about science in the 5 senses and things you can hear. Bye!